All right, this is the procedure for replacing a display unit. First, unplug the USB ports, then unplug the power, then unscrew the tab that holds it on, take the old one, put it aside, put the new one on, screw it on tight, then plug in the new display to the USB ports, plug in the power, being sure that the power is in completely and firmly. That's where we have a lot of problems with that. Once you've done that, take this twist tie, gather these wires together, twist the twist tie around the wires, then attach them to this knob so that we have some strain relief. And there you have a replacement.